Only fools rush in, but I can't help falling in love with you.
I vow to show up for you each and every single day. I am always here for you and will always be here for you. May our love always flow together. I love you a lot, a lot.
Oh, if I can help falling in love.
I promise to be present and fully devoted as we grow and learn together through the big moments and small, the ordinary and the extraordinary. Together we will create a lifetime of memories filled with adventure, love, trust, and unwavering support. My commitment to you knows no bounds, and I'm so honored and proud to be your partner in life. As we like to say, I love you a lot, a lot, a lot.
Take my whole life too. Oh, for I can help falling in love with you.
Ryan and Katie, given the vows that you've just exchanged, do you, Katie Stames, take Ryan Connor to be your husband?
I do.
And do you, Ryan Connor, take Katie Stames to be your wife?
I do.
Some things are meant to be. Won't take my hand, take my whole life too. For I can't help.
And so it is, ladies and gentlemen, by the power vested in me by the great state of Vermont, it is my honor and privilege to introduce you for the first time to Mr. and Mrs. Ryan and Katie Connor. Give it up.
I swear to God, when I come home, I'm gonna hold you so close. I swear to God, when I come home, I'll never let go. Like a river I flow.
Katie, my love for you is immeasurable, my respect for you immense. So with that, can I have the stand? All right.
Guiding me. And I need you to know that we're falling so fast. We're falling like the stars, falling in love. And I'm not scared to say those words. With you, I'm safe. We're falling like the stars. We're falling in love.
Ryan and Katie, you both have great heads on your shoulders, and it's no wonder why you both are successful in your professional and personal lives. Whenever I'm talking to you, I know you both are listening. You two complement each other's unique love for travel, golf, skiing, hiking, and anything active, really.
And when they've grown up, you're still the girl in the club. When I held your hair up, 'cause you had so much.
May there always be work for your hands to do. May your purse always hold a coin or two. May the sun shine always on your window pane. May a rainbow be certain to follow each rain. May the hand of a friend always be near you. May God fill your heart with gladness to cheer you.
Scared to say those words. With you, I'm safe. We're falling like the stars, falling in love.
To this day, his leadership and devotion to the task at hand is admirable. I have always looked up to Ryan and the way that he carries himself. There's a lot of great men in this room, and Ryan is without a doubt one of the best.
Oh, me love, 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 oh, me love.
Love is a journey, and yours has just begun. May your life be full of love, and love be full of life. Ryan and Katie, here's to a lifetime of endless adventures.
So fast, we're falling like the stars, falling in